Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Bhatti. In this series, we will dive into the basics of HTML, the fundamental building block of the web. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's used to create web pages and web applications with HTML. You can structure your content with HTML like heading, paragraph, link, images, and more. Understanding HTML is crucial for anyone looking to build a career in web development. It's the foundation upon which websites are built, and learning it opens the door to more advanced web technology. In this series, we will cover everything from the basic of HTML to more advanced topics. By the end, you will have the skill to create your own web pages from scratch. All you need to follow is a computer with a web browser and a text editor. We recommend using a code editor like Visual Studio Code, which is free and widely used by developers. In the next episode, we will start with the basic structure of HTML document. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next video.